Welcome to US Legal Forms. In this video, we'll show you how to edit a legal form in Word format online. It's super simple. In your US Legal Forms account, click the My Documents tab and select a saved document from our library. Your document will open in the Word editor, so you can start making changes right away. Edit your form just like you would a Word document. Add, change, or remove text, adjust fonts, styles, and layout, all without disrupting the document structure. Once you're done editing, click the printer icon to print a hard copy or hit download to save the document to your device. Click the drop-down in the top right corner to see more options for your document, like sending it by email or USPS. Need a break? Click Save and Close, and your changes will be saved so you can pick up right where you left off. That's it. Editing legal documents has never been easier.